this is Satya and you're watching Sagan's English channel. And today we are going to take a look at few situations where and when to use the word where. So situation number 1. So நீங்க உங்க friend meet பண்ணனும். Just you make a call and ask you, where are you Reena? Where are you Reena? So your friend is saying that உங்க friend இப்ப சொல்றாங்க I am in the shopping mall. I am in the shopping mall. So very next question using the where. Next உடனே நீங்க next question என்ன கேப்பீங்க அப்படினா where is the shopping mall located? Where is the shopping mall located? So this is the second question using where. So அவங்க என்ன ஆன்சர் கொடுப்பாங்க it is located in the new street near the clock tower. Okay, ஒன்னு friend சொல்றாங்க okay I'll be there in few minutes. நான் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துல அங்க வரேன். So next third question using where is friend கிட்ட again phoneல கேக்குறாங்க where is the bike key? Where is the bike key? Bike key எங்க இருக்கு? So the friend is answering the bike key is in the bedroom cupboard. Bike key is in the bedroom cupboard. So where is the bike key னு question கேட்டா questionல இருந்தே நம்ம ஆன்சர் பண்ணனும். Where is the bike key? The bike key is எங்க இருக்கோ அந்த இடத்தை நம்ம fill பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay. So next he took the bike shopping mall க்கு வந்துட்டாங்க. Again he is asking the watchman where is the parking area? Where is the parking area? So parking area எங்க இருக்கு அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க. Again he is making a call to his friend and asking where are you exactly in the mall? Where are you exactly in the mall? So the mall exactly எங்க இருக்கு? So the friend may answer, friend சொல்லலாம் I am in the first floor. I am in the first floor அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். So ஒரு சிம்பிளான ஒரு situationக்கு we need 5 questions using where. And the situation number 2 is when someone wants to know about your whereabouts of everything. So உங்களோட full detail நீங்க எங்க இருந்து வரீங்க என்ன பண்ணீங்க when they want to know the full detail, for example in an interview or in a school or a college interview or when you are introducing to some person, so in that situation you need these questions to be answered. ஒன்னு உங்களுக்கு இந்த questions வரலாம் இல்ல நீங்க இந்த questions மத்தவங்களுக்கு கேட்கலாம். What is that question is where are you from? Where are you from? This question is used in US to ask. So where are you coming from அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க. That's a wrong one. You have to ask where are you from? This question gives multiple answers. Which state, which place, which town, which area. இப்படி நிறைய விஷயங்களை நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணலாம். This is one important question in interview also. Question ஒன்னு தான் and answer இடத்துக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி மாறும். For example, where are you from? This question is asked in an interview. சென்னையில interview attend பண்ணும்போது இந்த question கேக்குறாங்கன்னா your answer will be I am from Tanjavur district. I am from Thoothukudi district அப்படினு சொல்லுவீங்க. If the same question is asked from some other state, ஏதோ வேற ஒரு ஸ்டேட் கர்நாடகா இந்தியா ஸ்டேட்ல பண்ணும்போது where are you from அப்படினு சொல்லும்போது your answer will be I am from Tamil Nadu. I am from Tamil Nadu அப்படினு சொல்லுவீங்க. When the same question is asked from North India in any other state, you may say I am from South India. I am from South India. Probably from Tamil Nadu அப்படினு சொல்வீங்க. If the same question is asked from foreign countries, ஏதோ foreignல abroadல interview attend பண்றீங்க, where are you from? Then you obviously say I am from India. I am from India. அப்பயும் நீங்க தஞ்சாவூர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்லயோ தூத்துக்குடி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்லயே தான் இருப்பீங்க. But the answer will vary according to the place of question. So where are you from is an important question where you can give all the details about you. And number 2 question is where were you born? Where were you born? எங்க பிறந்தீங்க? So this question is also asked usually in the interview or in the US interviews. US selection campusல எல்லாம் where were you born அப்படிங்கிற question கேக்குறாங்க. So you have to say that I was born in, not I am சொல்லக்கூடாது. I was born in England. I was born in Tanjavur. I was born in China. So wherever the place is, you have to mention the place of your birth. Next one, where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? எங்க வளர்ந்தீங்க? So இதெல்லாம் ஒரு क्वेश्चनाன்னு கேட்கலாம். சில பேர் இன்ட்ரோ듀ce பண்ணும்போது I was born in England but I was born and brought up in India. So நான் இங்கிலாந்துல பிறந்தேன் பட் நான் இந்தியால தான் வளர்ந்தேன் அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. So the place of birth and the place of brought up will be different for many persons. So உங்கள நிறைய பேருக்குமே அப்படி தான் இருப்பீங்க. வேற ஊர்ல பிறந்திருப்பீங்க, வேற ஊர்ல வளர்ந்திருப்பீங்க. So when the question comes to where did you grow up, then you have to say I was grown up in this place. I was grown up in Andhra Pradesh. So நான் இந்த இடத்துல தான் வளர்ந்தேன். Okay. Next question is where did you go to school? Where did you go to school? This question is also asked in some of the interviews when a person is from a village background. So villageல இருந்து வந்திருக்காங்க அப்படினா அவங்க கிட்ட இந்த question கண்டிப்பா கேக்குறாங்க. எங்க ஸ்கூலிங்லாம் பண்ணீங்க அப்படினு சொல்லும்போது because in village obviously there are no better or quality schools. So they move on to the city to continue their education. In such situation this question plays a major role. So where did you go to school? Then you have to say I went to school in so and so institution in this place. So இந்த ஊரில் இந்த இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷனில் நான் ஸ்கூல் ஒரு காலேஜ் நான் முடித்தேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவீங்க. Next question is, where do you work? Where do you work? This is a present question, which means where do you work? எங்கே work பண்ணுறீங்க? I work in Mumbai. I work in England. I work in Chennai. So whatever it is, you have to say the name of a place, or if needed, the name of the institution where you work. These are some questions to get the detailed account of a person. So ஒரு பர்சனை பற்றி detailed whereabouts வேணும் அப்படின்னா you can ask these questions, or these questions may be asked to you. Next is a very simple question. காமனாக where எப்படிலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? So when you ask the question with where, so you always give the answer with the location of a place. ஒரு பிளேஸோ ஒரு லொக்கேஷனோ தான் நீங்கள் ஆன்சராக கொடுப்பீங்க. Example, where is the file? So the answer is the file is on the table. Where is the mobile? The mobile is on the cupboard. So where is the restroom? The restroom is in the second floor on the left corner. So where is Mr. John? Mr. John is in the third floor. Where is the manager's room? Manager's room is in the third floor. So like that, you can frame so many questions using the question word where. And try using these questions, because many people say that what and why the important question அப்படினு நினைக்கிறாங்க. It's not like that. Where is also an important question that plays a major role in our daily English conversation. So start using this where and improve your conversation. To watch my other videos, I have given the link in the description and in the icon. You can go and check it out. I'll meet you with another interesting lesson on Friday vocabulary. Until then, bye bye.